In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a robot that can move on its own on a horizontal bar, but once it is pulled by a tractor, it will rotate. At that time, relying on the gravity of the disc, the tip of the top will directly stick to the ground. At the same time of rotation, it can remove all the rotten leaves from the ground and push them to one side to concentrate. Relying on this device, it saves a lot of time cleaning the ground. It can complete the removal of the soil for an hour. In addition, after this machine has been modified, it can also become a dry grass harvester. It is not difficult to find that the perimeter of the disc is not only replaced by a more dense iron wire, but also a combination of two rows. Fix them on both sides of the tractor and place them on their own. In this way, the back of the single grass has been integrated into a line where the tractor has driven. How about this? Isn't this amazing?